Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, it's me Sumaya. Today I'm gonna show you Disney inspired Aladdin's movies Jasmine's hairstyle. So I hope you guys are interested to know these hairstyles. So let's start. For this hairstyle, first of all, I'm gonna create two sections of hair. Then my upper section will be my first section and the down one will be my second section, the way you can see. Now I'm gonna take my first section underneath my second section. After that, I'm gonna add a chunk of hair to my section 1. Now I'm gonna do it in a opposite way. I'm gonna go underneath my section 1 and I'm gonna add a chunk of hair to my section 2. And now my section 1 will gonna go underneath my section 2. So I'm gonna repeat these steps the way you can see. It's a bit tricky, but it's easy at the same time. After completing up to the ear length, I'm gonna go for a volumization by filling the edges of the hair, the way you can see the jasmine here. And then I'm gonna secure it with 2 bobby pins. It's up to you how much you need to secure your own hair. And the same way I'm gonna do to the other side. And now I'm gonna go for the second step. I have created a low ponytail and I have created an opening. For this hairstyle you can use a topsy tail too, but I prefer my hands to do. Then I'm gonna go through it and to create magnificent ponytail, that twisting ponytail, the way you can see Jasmine's hair from the back side. And now from the third step, just go for a brush up so there is no tangle and smooth. It's totally smooth here. And we're gonna create 2 bubble ponytail, and this is my first ponytail, and then I'm gonna go for a little bit of spread up. And if you want more volumization you can go for a bit of teasing, but I'm gonna skip that part. And if you want you can go for accessories. I love to fix accessories and I think it's look much more royal. And the same way I'm gonna create my second bubble ponytail. So this is pretty much our Jasmine look is completely done. Hope you guys has enjoyed this hairstyle and I tried my best to make it simple as possible. So if you like this hairstyle, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. So bye for today.